nasa starstruck pa rin po ako sa Yun po yung totoo. It's the truth.
Good afternoon, bago lahat. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for coming here and for helping us promote this very special project. Then po sa tanong, it's my first time working with Carla. Also, it's my first time doing a murder mystery drama on TV, or even since December ko siya nagawa. But I am glad na finally nakatrabaho ko na si Carla because she is very professional. She's a generous actress. And she's very gracious. Siya kasi nasabi ko ito sa harapan niya. I think she's a gentle soul, and I'm glad that I got to know her better.
Wala din. Nami-mystery na naman.
Thank you. Bulag ako doon. Hanggang ngayon, lagi po sinasabi hanggang ngayon kapag meron po kaming eksena, nasa starstruck pa rin po ako sa Yun po yung totoo. It's the truth. I think I mentioned one time po na hindi ko akalain na abot po sa ganitong point na talagang makakatrabaho ko po siya. Kasi for me, parang wishful thinking lang po yan noon. So, nung nabalitaan ko po, sobra po ako na-excite. May konting kaba. But my goodness, she is everything I imagined her to be, plus more. Napaka-passionate po niya. She's dedicated to her craft. Kung may maliliit na detalye, alam po niya. Mabait po siya, madali siyang pakisamahan. Wala pong reklamo, very patient, and of course, napaka-usay po.
And again, after you sabi, Carla, how does your role in Widow's War differ from the past characters you've done in the past? And paano kayo nakaka-relate sa characters ng Widow person?
Actually, hindi po ako nakaka-relate gaano. Very different. Although I did a soap po, yung aking project po prior to this one was Stolen Life. In a way, thankful po ako naging stepping stone po yun. Kasi matapang po ang isang character ko doon as Farah. So, ang layo, ibang-iba dito si George. Somehow, parang nahihirapan po akong makarelate sa kanya. She's ambitious, she will do anything and everything to get what she wants. Pagdating sa pamilya, gagawin niya lahat, kahit mali. So, iba, matapang itong si George. Kaya, medyo hirap po akong makarelate sa kanya in real life.
Ako naman po, yes, iba yung genre. Iba yung genre nito compared sa lahat ng nagawa ko. But I guess the process is still the same for me. Pinag-uusapan na namin ni Direk kanina, as actors, we're also storytellers. So, lahat ng emosyon nagagaling from a place of truth within yourself. So, lahat tayo, hindi naman perfect. May kabutihan tayo, meron din tayong kasamaan, may mga bagay that tips us off, may mga bagay, may kabaliwan din tayo lahat, diba? But somehow, bilang artista, kinukuha mo yung maliit na bagay na yun, sinamagnify mo. So, I guess the process is the same for me as doing drama or horror or other genres. But I think ang malaking tulong dito are the creative team and our director. Sila talaga yung nagpukumpas ng lahat sa amin. And of course, my co-actors. Kasi acting is just really reacting. And I am very, very lucky that I have all these actors with me, acting opposite me, si Miss G. Garcia. Na parang, nakatrabaho ko na before si Miss G, but this time yung talagang harapan namin, I always get inspired by her. So yes, to answer your question, it's the genre is different, but for me the process is the same.
Okay, last question for Miss Abby and Carla. Meron ba kayong mga intense na scenes na what can you share? And paano?
Gano'n ka-intense po mga eksena. Parang ano po lagi po, of course, course, may intense na eksena. Parang hindi po kayo mabobore, sa totoo lang po. Hindi naman din po ito yung tipo ng kwento na wala na po silang ginawa kundi magsampalan or mag-away. But you will always be at the edge of your seat. Kasi mapapakapit po kayo dahil pahihingahin po namin kayo, ito mamaya yan na naman po. Medyo intense na naman po yung eksena. I believe may lumabas na po sa teaser na isang eksena po, yung nag-away po si Sam at saka si George, na pareho po silang naka-black at sampayan na po sila. So, masasabi ko po, yung mga ganong eksena wala sa kanilang tama, walang mali. Parang pareho po silang, hindi nyo maganda doon na hindi nyo po alam kung kanino kayo kakampi. Wala po kayong kakampihan kasi pareho po silang may pinagagalingan. So, madami po kami mga eksena ni Bea. Oh my goodness.
Oo, very intense. Sa totoo lang itong project na to, hindi lang siya emotionally draining sa mga artists, physically draining din siya. Una-una, kung mapapansin niyo dun sa ATV kanina, ang gaganda ng mga locations, di ba? Talagang sinasadya namin yung mga locations namin, Bataan, La Union, Batangas. Talagang minimake sure na direct na visually enticing din siya. So, syempre, mahirap din namin puntahan itong mga lugar na ito just to make sure that maganda siya lalabas. I mean, based dun sa script, kung paano nila na-imagine, we can only hope na gano'n din siya lalabas sa screen, di ba? Yes, it's very intense. Siguro hindi lang on screen, but behind the scenes is also very intense for us. It's very draining, but hindi kami nagrereklamo kasi pag nakikita namin yung produkto ng ginagawa namin, ako very, very happy ako.
Salamat po and congratulations sa inyo.
What drew me to the character of Samantha, she's a fighter. I like that she's a great character na meron din siyang kabaliwan. So, I like that about her and she really fights for her family. Yun, hindi na bago sa atin yung karamihan sa mga napapanood natin karakter sa television. I think kaya natin nagugustuhan yung mga teleseries because we can relate to them. And most characters that we watch on TV, gano'n naman eh. Talagang, I think, in general, Filipinos are family-oriented. That's what I like about her. Pero ang gusto ko sa kanya is that hindi siya tumitigil hanggang makita niya or matagpuan niya yung katotohanan. So, I guess that's what drew me to her. And the reason why I accepted this project really is because, again, the genre. And plus, I've always wanted to work with the Limzing Gulay. Buti na lang, nabigyan ako ng chance. Kasi hindi ko pinagsisisihan. Kasi yung proseso niya at yung talento niya na i-share niya sa ating lahat is extraordinary.
Thank you so much, Bea. Thank you for a little bit of a story kung bakit mo tinanggap itong character sa Widow's War. And now for you, Carla, kanina nagsabi si Bea ng insight niya on how it is working with you. Ikaw naman, how is it working with Bea Alonzo on set? The question is, how do you find the dynamic between the both of you on set?
Oh, dynamics, my goodness. Parang ano naman, right off the bat, walang kapaan. Parang, I wouldn't say naman a swap right away, but kumbaga, we didn't have such a hard time adjusting to each other's techniques, process, yung timing. Surprisingly, may mga eksena po kami na mga, let's say, for example po, fight scenes. Meron po kami mga stunt directors, stuntmen, tuturuan po kami. But really, most of them talagang improv. Wala pong walang blocking, walang anything. Talagang kami lang po, bigayan lang. Which is, ako, I'm very grateful for that because at least hindi ko na po kailangan mga masyado. So, actually naman, thankfully,